Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn order of operation. So, when we always solve questions like 6 plus 92 or so. But this is easy for us now. So let's go in the more deep. So if we have 92 minus 6 into 2. So everyone will do like first 92 minus 6 and then into 2. But that is the wrong way. We have a standard method for it. So today we are going to learn that, and I am also going to help you to answer some questions. So first of all, in our equation we solve bracket and parenthesis first, then order of exponents, then division and multiplication, which goes to left to right, then addition and subtraction, which goes left to right. Yeah, and there are two words made of this long thing. So first is bond mass and other is PEMDAS. So bond mass means B for B, then O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And there is a other word called PEMDAS, which is P for parenthesis, E for exponents, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. But we can use both of them. Now I'm going to give you one equation. But first of all, here we have we have three kinds of bracket over here. You can see that. First is parenthesis, second is curly bracket, and third is square brackets. So for in an equation there are so many brackets given. So first we'll add parenthesis, then curly brackets, and then square brackets. So let's start. So our first equation is 30 divided by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 6 into 19 plus 4. So this looks a bit hard, but when we solve this, it is very easy for us. So let's solve this. So the whole our order of operations is, first we need to solve the bracket. So you can see the bracket over here. So now let's solve this bracket. So it's 6 into 5, which is 30. So let's write 30 over here and repeat this same expression. Then after it says order. Order means powers, like powers and squares. But we don't have anywhere, so we'll leave that. Then let's go to division. You can see division over here, right over here. So in division we have, when we divide this, it's 6. And now let's repeat the expression. So after that, it's multiplication. So multiplication is right over here. So when we multiply this both, we get 570. And 5, we have to multiply, repeat the expression. After this expression, wait. Now we go to addition, which is, this both are addition, so we can solve like this. So it is 576, and we plus 4 to it, it is equals to 580. So this is how we solve our expression. It is when we look at the expression, it is hard, but when we follow the BODMAS and PEMDAS like the equations operations, then we feel it very easy. So this is how. So now let's solve this equation. So I have already written the equation on the board, and we are going to solve it. I have also solved it, but I'm going to show how to solve it. So it's using the order of operation, but I'm going to still show you the how to solve. Yeah. So first we have to solve the bar. So we have our so first of all, this is our equation, and in that we need to solve the bar part first. So bar part, we got the answer 1. Then I wrote the rest of the operation it was before. Then after the bar, we need to solve the brackets. In brackets, we need to solve parentheses first. So parentheses are from here to here. So we got a answer 4, which is right over here. And the expression is still, the other things are in the down. After that, we solve the curly brackets. In curly brackets, we have here to here. And using after the curly brackets, I got the answer 6. Then, in the last bracket, we need to solve first of all the order or exponents. So, this is called order or exponents, which is power or square, anything. And we got its answer 60, and rest of the operation is still same. Then when we solve this answer, we get 10, and the minus 2 gets multiplied by minus 2 is still there, and our answer is 20. But how? Minus minus gets plus, and then we'll into that, then we'll get a 20. So this is how this question is done. It looks more complicated, but when you solve by using order of operation, then it is very easy to solve. So now let's solve the simply brackets and expand brackets. So let's start with the simply brackets. We have our equation over here which says 2 multiplied by in bracket 35 plus 55. So how will we solve that equation? So first of all, we'll plus this both. We'll put 2 into here, and then let's put plus this both and put it over here, which is 90. So let's plus 35 and 55, which is 90. After that, we have to into 2 multiply by 90, which is 180. So we got our answer of this. But there is one other way called an expand way to solve this same equation in different way. So let's solve this. So in this case, we'll multiply 2 multiplied by 35 plus 2 multiplied by 55. So when we so how to do that? So we have 2 multiplied by 35 is 70 plus 2 multiplied by 55 is 110. 110. So when we plus 70 plus 110, our answer is 180. So there is another way called an expand brackets, but this is a very easy way to solve it. Now I am going to show you one more equation. Now let's see another example of expand brackets. So which is 7 multiplied by 106. So in this form, I'll write in another form, which is 7 multiplied in bracket 100 plus 6. So this is another way to write it, 100 plus 6. Now I'll into that 7 into 100 plus 7 into 6. So when I into this, I got 7 multiplied by 100, I got 700 plus 42, which is 7 multiplied by 6, and is equals to, when we plus 707 740 42, we got 742. So this is her another expression. You can try it by yourself. And this was the video of order of operation, which helps you to solve equations like this, and it is the most important, and this is the only way you can solve this kind of equation. So I hope you like my video. Thank you.